Now hold on, hold on. I know what you're thinking. Not another guy with a beard giving his job's worth about some beard oil that he likes. Well, it's not like that. It kind of is, but it's not. You see, I'm not going to review them and rate them out of 10. All I'm going to do is introduce you to the oils. And then, if you want to try them out, you can make your own mind up. Odin's Beard is a UK-based beard oil provider, maker, however you want to call it. And they've just released 3 new scents. Red label, burnt orange label and lavender label. You can guess what a lavender label is going to be all about. But what makes it tick? Let's take a look inside the bottle. Well, at least I will do. I'm not going to show you because I spill it all over my computer. 30ml oil will cost you 10 of your English pound. If you buy 3 oils together, you can get them for £27. You can make a bit of a saving there if you buy a few at once. Ingredients wise, they've gone for a blend of natural carrier oils. Jojoba, argan, hemp and castor oil. They're the base oils. And for the scents, he's gone for pineapple, hibiscus fragrance, salted moss fragrance and passion fruit fragrance oil with vitamin E. So the scent he's gone for, according to his blurb, it's a kind of beach surfer sort of scent. It's a lot more fragrant in the bottle than it is on the beard. It settles down a lot on the beard, which is a good thing because it is quite powerful when you get the blast of it. Get it in your beard, it's nice, more subtle. To me, it's a sweet, fruity fragrance with a punch of pineapple and passion fruit blasting through. But to balance it out, they've added that hibiscus scent and that salted moss fragrance, whatever that is, which I assume gives it that fresh, subtle sea breeze kind of scent that stops it from smelling too sugary and sweet. I have to agree, it's a very pleasing scent and it will do well through the summer months. Well, for as much of the sun that we get in the UK. So if you're after a beard oil from a UK company with a focus on those ingredients I've just mentioned, with that sweet, fruity but balanced scent, then Red Label from Odin's Beard is worth checking out. I'll be reviewing the other 2 new ones from Odin's Beard soon. Make sure you subscribe for more. Toodles.